Again from Trailer Park Aviation. As you can see, this didn't go so good. Took it out for the first flight this morning and got everything going, got it set up, ready to go. It took off, it went up and then came straight back down. I went up on the stick again. It went up, it backed up, and it came back down again and slammed to the ground and broke these. Now I had this, I don't know what to do about it. Just watch, you'll hear it. Is that a servo or something? Because it's just pulling straight down. Is that why it came down? I don't know. I mean, let me get in a little closer here. Maybe you can see. Because I don't know what the problem is. It looked like a servo was getting stuck going down. Maybe that's why it went down. Is that what it is? Looks like this one, this side on this side, the left side is pulling, well, the right side would be on this side. Like it's pulling straight down. Let's set it up and try it again, and then you can see. Can you see that? I need to get this closer. Did you see that? I just saw it go straight down. I don't know. Am I gonna have to change this servo? Would that be the only one? Because like I said, it went up and then came down. And then I pushed the stick up. I pushed this stick up and it went back up and it went kind of high. And when I let go of it, it just came straight back down. I hope I didn't buy $800 worth of trash. So maybe this is what I have to change. Let's see. Let's do it one more time. Maybe you can see it and tell me if that's what the problem is. Did you hear that? It sounded like it just continued and it pulled it down. Did you see that? If you could, please help me. I don't know. I know how to fire them. I know how to take them apart and do them, but was that the problem? Is it a servo that's bad? I don't know. I appreciate anyone that could help me. Thank you for your assistance.